see, we'd have to hold it down and shit. These guys said, well, we don't take a nap.
Hey, I got it.
Gotta slide out of chat for a little while.
There'd have to be some point where I would have to pass the torch. You know?
Beautiful, what do you gotta say?
Oh, I was just gonna say, you remember the Occupy that they walked out on the federal building for Occupy guards?
Well, you just get take over.
You can compliment.
Anyway, which knows how to let people in because I came in with relative ease, and me, I'm not really a technological wizard, nor a time
I
traveler.
figured it out.
There you go, there you go. How about you, Green Fingers? How's the garden coming? I'm not asking you to go walk around right now, but it's like this. You do have an amazing garden.
I got these going.
Yeah.
Way more. Got 6 of those and 7 of those going, and they gave me 14. This one was a 12. Shout out to East River for extra views in that every time. 14 in this one. The Burmese banana berry. Yeah. We're talking all of them eventually. Next week, 6 more of that one. And this one, I've already talked all of them. Burmese banana berry. Well, I'll go turn over next week.
Looks like some pretty amazing genetics there, actually. I mean, the Burmese is probably some amazing stuff, and it does look like they're well.
The strawberry banana crossed with orange Burmese. I don't know either one of those. But yeah, it sounds good. And then the Anderson Valley Olive there.
Grow that in the greenhouse or something, I guess, right? No?
I started them off in the greenhouse just because the sun helps so much better, but it's so cold now that I have to close it up every day to keep it heat. And it's not really pretty hot. It's very cold up there, so I don't want them to grow slow or die slow. Yeah.
Well, I think you're doing amazing things in a very short amount of time, and I know that you just have a lot of persistence and energy because it's like this. Things are different every time.
Yeah, I can't leave it the same for the fire. If I lose, then I lose. It's not hard to do. I should just knew when I changed the depth to the fucking problem. That's all you can really do. I fucking go to fucking decide to get a new fucking get up. Oh, that's good.
Just takes so long, It's like sometimes, if a plant gets delayed, it can be a long part of the cycle. So a very small amount from it, we may not even get the very, smoke to talk about. So it's like I'm just saying we're in it at least to have some smoke.
Oh yeah, that's the main part, right? Free medicine. And that's free the medicine. Free the medicine, that's the free medicine.
Inspiration,
Yeah. Muse.
A little bit of hope for some people, instead of having just 2 options, maybe they have 5 or 6 or 10.
Yeah.
To me, growing my own medicine is also financial security because now I'm not going and spending all the money I have on whatever amounts of dabs and powder right now.
Who's gonna send you a trust? Somebody's gotta do that, right? Somebody, you don't got a trust, do you?
As far as just a hair straightener, that's the only process.
Oh, now somebody's gonna have to send you one now that we're getting that out there. Hear that,
Yeah, we should have
everybody?
Secret Santas in spirit of all this. Like
Yeah.
we have a wish list, but then Secret Santas.
Yeah, what else do you guys need on the show, everybody? To make it better production for everybody. Let's not need the press so we can get high for free and we go to downtown. You gotta get it up for them, bro.
That's the reason I'm going to spend all my money on just the amount that I'm going by. I'd like it to be. I'll do crazy things. I'll do hey, slab dabs for the sake of someone in this chat wanting to see a slab dab. Or a ball and chain. Yeah, if anyone knows what those. There's all types of things. Trick dabs you can do. We used to do hula dabs or ring dabs from old school kinds of, instead of buckets, there would be like a boat, like a boat. So you would form your little bowl, you make like a lightsaber out of shadow. Just putting it on those like
I remember. Hey, bro, good shit. Nothing to see.
I used to clean my pipe with a paper clip, and then clean it around the bowl too, and then I'd smoke that resin.
Oh yeah, I still do that. That's some extra shit in there. I fucking scrape it all up and smoke it right now at the end of the show usually.
Well, I've been doing that with this ChemDog pipe because since it's been cleaned, every bowl I smoked out of it was top to patch. So.
Yeah.
I'm just saying that in the end, we're actually pretty primitive about it. How whatever tool or implement for smoking that we use is always kind of like, a personal thing. And it's like this, we all love it, all these little parts of our culture. I honestly don't need a $30,000 dab rig, but, if I did, I'd probably transfer it into a piece of land or something like that.
Yeah, that's a lot right there. 100%. I'd sell anything right now to get my fucking private.
How many people out there have a piece of land? I know that it's kind of a small group in chat right now or anybody, but if you have your own land, it gives you a certain feeling. And what I mean is it's not just an investment, but it's actually a place where you have refuge and inspiration, and a place where you can maybe, if you're lucky, cultivate. If you have land, you should be able to cultivate on it. So, and that's a freedom. And where I'm from, the right to cultivate and possess and smoke cannabis in the home is protected under the right to privacy. And